Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a little project that I am working on within my home. As you guys know, my New Year's resolution is to get more organized in all aspects of my life. And a few years ago, I did make a resolution to be more resourceful and to be less wasteful. And I've kind of become a semi-minimalist, and I like to say semi because I'm not very extreme as far as capsule wardrobes and things like that. To each their own, but I am an entertainer and I like to change my look up quite a bit. And I do love home decor, but I like to keep everything else simple as far as like what's in my cabinets and what's in my restrooms and stuff like that. I like to keep everything minimalized. So I feel like in the past 2 years, I have gotten rid of so much stuff, you guys. It is unbelievable how much stuff that I have taken out of this house and filled my garage with, sold, bagged up, gotten rid of. Like, it is insane. So I have decided to take it up a notch this year. I'm going through each room again. I'm talking like every single drawer, every nook and cranny, because things are a lot cleaner than they used to be, so it's less overwhelming. And I'm going through each area of every single room and just sorting through and making sure that everything that we have in our home is being used and is loved and won't be better used with somebody else. So if I feel like, you know what, we haven't really used this, I feel like it'll be better used somewhere else, I can put it on a garage sale site or I can donate it, then that's what I'm going to do. So I have made a lot of progress so far, and I want to kind of keep you guys up to date on that as I am going along. So far I've done my son's room, I have done my makeup collection, and I'm not recording these things, and I know you guys probably would enjoy that, but I feel like it kind of interrupts the process for me personally to kind of have to whip out lighting, move the camera around. I just kind of want to get it done as fast as I can, because I am a mommy, and you know, when I have spare time to do those things, you really have to take advantage. Like when my son is occupied playing in his room, I want to do something as quickly as possible, because if he sees me getting the camera lights out, he's going to want to come and be in front of the camera, he's going to want to mess with stuff, and so it's kind of impossible for me to film this sometimes. When he is with his dad on the weekends, I will try to film some of the projects if I can, but I will definitely keep you guys up to date on everything that I've gotten rid of. I challenge you guys to do the same thing, and when I do the end result video, I would love to hear how much you guys got rid of. So far I have written down a list, and I'm going to keep that list tallied for you guys, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys because it's insane how much stuff that I've already gotten rid of, again, when I thought that I was already like completely minimized. So I will also give you guys some ideas on getting rid of the stuff that you're no longer using and how you can kind of benefit and make some money or save some money, all different sorts of ideas that I've kind of learned over the past few years. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. If you have any requested videos, please leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!